Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to borrow money from OnePay. First, open the OnePay app on your phone and wait for it to fully load. Once you are on the home page, look carefully for an option that says something like "Get 200 instantly." The exact amount may be different for you, since it depends on your account and eligibility. Tap on that option to continue. On the next screen, you will see a button that says "Get Cash." Tap on that button to move forward. Now, you will be asked to enter the amount of money you want to borrow. You can choose the full amount offered or a smaller amount if you prefer. For example, if your limit is $200, you can take the full 200 or enter a lower number like 100. After entering the amount, the app will show you the payment details. This includes how much money you will receive and the total amount you will need to pay back later. There is usually a fee added. For example, if you borrow $100, you may need to repay around $105 depending on the fee. Take a moment to review these details carefully. If everything looks good, confirm your request. Once approved, the money will be sent to your account almost immediately. Another option available in the app is the credit builder loan. This works differently. You apply for the loan, receive the funds, and then repay it in small monthly payments. This can also help improve your credit over time if you make payments on schedule. Thanks for watching.